Hello दोस्तों, welcome back to Code Battle with Ajay. In this video, we'll learn about how to install MySQL in Windows 11. So we start this video. Now click on Chrome and search MySQL in Chrome browser. This is the official website of MySQL. Click on this website and go to download section. After that, here is the MySQL community downloads. And here click on MySQL Installer for Windows. And now there is two options. The version is 8.0.42 and Microsoft Windows Office by default selected, and there is two options. One is 2.1 MB size and second is 353 MB size. So download this, and now click on no thanks, just start my download. SQL starting download. It's take sometimes almost 2 to 3 minutes. It's depend on your PC. It's what is your RAM and processor, etc. You can also install is in your Windows 10, and if you are using Mac, yeah, Ubuntu operating system, you can also there. If you are using Ubuntu, so by using command you can also install MySQL, and also file using install Google browser you can install. Now this is completed. I close all tab and go to this file explorer and downloads. Double click on MySQL Installer community. Start installer. It's also sometimes. Click on yes. Hide this. MySQL Installer launch.exe. Click on yes. Make sure your laptop is connected with your internet. We can click choose a setup type. So now I click on custom. Next, select products. So I click MySQL server, then MySQL, and click on this. So this add in right side, and application MySQL workbench. Click on and tab to right side, and MySQL cell, and tab to right side. So these three, MySQL server, MySQL workbench, and MySQL cell, we can install. Next, ready to install, execute. So starting installing. It's also takes some times. Two is completed. Now third one is start MySQL cell. It's take sometimes to installing. Then click next. Ready to configure. Next. And now type and networking. Configure type development computer. Okay. Port number 3306. Okay. And TCP IP. Okay. Then now click on next. Authentication method. Use strong password encryption for authentication. Yes. Click on this. And what is your root password? So you can add your root password. Root. ROOT. And also repeat root. So it's so weak, but you can use remember password like root. ROOT. Now can click on next. Yes, grant full access to the user running the Windows services and the administration group only. Other users and groups will not be have access. Okay. Execute. It takes also some time. Apply configuration. Finish. Also next and finish. So MySQL Workbench is open and MySQL Shell also. So I close all the tabs. My second step is go to this and Windows C, program files, and click on MySQL server bin, and click here to copy the path and set your environment variable, and click on edit the system environment variables. Here click on environment variables. Also here click on system variables where path, and now add new. Click here. In this my PC already add this step, so I can delete this, but you can add the MySQL server /bin and OK. Now OK and OK. Then you type your cmd and open command prompt and type your MySQL version. So here you get the version of MySQL 8.0.42. Now I open the workbench of MySQL and click the root, and I set the password as root ROOT. Okay. Now this is the my MySQL workbench is set up. Here I write the queries to create database, and so database like I create my first query in workbench like create database dummy, and click on this, execute the selected portion of the script or everything. So the created database successfully. Now I click on show database. Databases. So there is a database is present in my SQL. One is dummy, information schema, MySQL performance schema, and system. Now I create another database like as a. So I click create database as a and run this. Now create database as a is execute successfully. this right click is so here this is video for installing MySQL in Windows 11. So basically we are what doing this video. Basically go to the Chrome browser and select the MySQL and where we install the latest version of MySQL, and after that we can execute these files and use this in Workbench of MySQL. So thank